Hey guys, this is me Aditya and I'm back again with a new video, and this time I have my new ride. And here is Carmelo, my salesperson, and he gave me a very good offer here, and there you have it. It's a Holden Calais. Just show them around. The 3.6 liter V6 engine. All factory fitted rims. Really good maroon color. I'll show you guys a little bit later more features inside the car. So just hop around, alright? Cheers. Hey guys, it's me Aditya, and I'm back again with my new car here, and this is the new 2015 Holden Commodore Calais. Let me just show you around. Have a look at my car. All right. Just to let you guys know, that's maroon color, dark maroon shade. You have 18-inch factory fitted alloy rims with platinum shading on. The car is fitted with all chrome since it's one of the Commodore's top premium line model. Really amazing taillights. Got two big exhausts at the back. It has a 3.6 liter V6 engine, which gives it ample power to pump up. Alright, just wait and keep on watching the video, and I'll take you guys inside the car as well. Cool! Hey guys! Are you still here? Let me just decrease the volume. Alright, so you guys want to take a ride? I want to see the car first? Alright, I'll show you. So this is the top model Calais of the Holden Commodore flagship, and this one has parallel car park sensors, reverse camera, all leather interior, stitched leather I could say. And look at the seats, please admire the seats as well. There's a fabric line going in the middle of the leather, if you guys can see properly. So we have sensors on the side left and right mirrors as well, to help the car not colliding with the other cars when you're switching lanes. What else? Alright, so we have touch system here, which is Holden MyLink, and it has a couple of features which I haven't even checked, but yeah, I'll try to go home. Yeah, it has Pandora, Stitcher, CD, aux, Bluetooth, and more as well. I guess if you connect a device, a plug-and-play device, you can get Apple CarPlay with this car as well, which I can attach a link for that. And alright, let's go on a ride and let's see how this car works. Alright, so we don't have to keep the keys, just keep the keys here and just on and off. There's this. That's how the car starts, and let's go. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like my videos. And before going on your drive, don't forget to wear seatbelts. Let's hit the road. All right. How are you guys feeling? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Ciao.